If tool prices have been holding you back from upgrading your workshop, Black Friday is the perfect time to make a change. This year's deals feature some of the best woodworking tools of 2025, discounted to help you save while getting more done. Let's check out what's on offer. Starting with BOSCH Deals. BOSCH CO21B. Upgrade your drill bit lineup for only $47.99, down from $72.79. Built with durable cobalt and precision engineering, the BOSCH CO21B set delivers long-lasting performance. Expect cleaner, smoother drilling with fewer replacements, ideal for working on metal, hardwood, and mixed materials. Grab this versatile router kit for $229, previously $279. Featuring a 2.25 HP motor and both fixed and plunge bases, it offers maximum control. Enjoy smoother, more accurate cuts and professional-grade shaping, perfect for hobbyists and furniture makers upgrading their workspace. Take charge with the BOSCH GSR-12V drill driver at $159, reduced from $239. Its compact 12V design delivers strong torque while staying lightweight for extended use. Easier handling, less arm fatigue, and dependable performance make it great for tight spots, overhead tasks, and both DIY and professional projects. Cut through wood, PVC, and metal effortlessly for just $119, down from $159. The BOSCH PS60's compact frame and powerful motor minimize vibration and enhance control. Remodelers and DIYers will appreciate precise cuts in confined spaces with reduced strain during longer jobs. Next, we have the BOSCH PR20 EVS electronic palm router, now $50 off from its previous price of $129. This variable speed, palm grip router puts power and precision right in your hand. Its ergonomic, soft grip design makes it comfortable to hold, while still delivering enough power to handle tasks that are usually reserved for larger routers. Conquer stubborn screws with the CRAFTSMAN Impact Driver Kit, now only $69, previously $118. Its high-performance motor and quick-charging battery make heavy fastening jobs simple. With stronger torque for demanding tasks and precise control for detailed work, it's a reliable choice for both contractors and DIY enthusiasts. Keep your workshop spotless for just $128.99, down from $166.65. The CRAFTSMAN HP Wet Dry Vac delivers powerful suction and a large capacity tank, making it easy to tackle dust, debris, and spills of any size. Protect your tools, maintain a safer workspace, and cut down on cleanup time and effort. Now, the CRAFTSMAN V20 cordless drill and impact driver. You can get this tool for $119 because it now comes with a 20% discount. With good power, a compact design, and contoured overmolded handles, it makes working in tight spaces much easier and more comfortable. Moving next, SKIL Deals. Upgrade your portable cutting for just $9.99, down from $15.99. The SKIL Job Site Table Saw offers a stable surface and precise guidance, ensuring accurate rip cuts across different materials. Improve workflow, reduce waste, and handle small cutting tasks more safely and efficiently. Essential tool for any DIY or woodworking setup. Now here comes the SKIL 40-volt leaf blower kit. Delivers 460 CFM of clearing power, making yard work faster and easier. Now available for $119.99, 20% off, it's lightweight, portable, and perfect for tackling leaves and debris efficiently. Pick up this compact fastening tool for just $34.99, down from $44.90. Designed with a pivoting handle, it easily reaches tight spaces, while the rechargeable battery keeps you working without interruption. You'll enjoy quicker screw driving and less strain on your wrist, perfect for DIY projects and assembly jobs. And with a 22% Black Friday discount, it's a smart upgrade at a great price. Now it's time for DEWALT Now. So, the first tool we have is the DEWALT 20-volt cordless drill and impact driver. This combo is currently on sale for 17% on Amazon, bringing the price down to $149. If you frequently perform heavy drilling at your worksite, this powerful set could be the perfect choice for Black Friday. Next up, we've got the DEWALT SDS Plus Rotary Hammer Drill at a 20% discount on Amazon, dropping the price to $159. Its lightweight design makes it ideal for rod hanging, concrete forming, cable tray and strut mounting, clip and bracket setups, or railing work. Handle wide boards easily at just $499, previously $669. This DEWALT double bevel sliding miter saw features a dual bevel sliding design that increases crosscut capacity and precision guidance adjustments for smooth, accurate results. Perfect for flooring, framing, and trim work, it helps you achieve professional-grade cuts efficiently while saving both time and effort on every project. Get multiple tools in one kit at just $369, previously $449. This DEWALT tool combo kit includes powerful, long-lasting batteries and a versatile selection of tools designed to tackle a wide range of projects. Save space, reduce setup time, and complete DIY or professional tasks more efficiently, all while enjoying reliable, high-performance tools in a single package. Now the deals from Metabo. Drive nails efficiently with the Metabo HP framing nailer at $149, previously $229. Its pneumatic system ensures consistent depth and high-speed firing. You'll save time on large builds, reduce hand strain, and enjoy reliable performance on framing, decking, and structural projects. Cut perfect angles at just $119, down from $169. This Metabo HP compound miter saw features a powerful motor and smooth bevel and crosscut adjustments for consistent, accurate performance. Achieve precise cuts for framing, trim, molding, and other woodworking projects while saving time, reducing effort, and improving overall efficiency in every build. Moving to the last part, it's woodworking deals. Trace curves with precision at only $19.97, previously $25.99. Featuring smooth, tightly fitted pins, this contour gauge captures complex profiles with excellent accuracy. Perfect for flooring, trim, or tile projects, it helps achieve cleaner cuts, reduce mistakes, and streamline your workflow. Secure boards with confidence at $34.99, down from $44.90. The Wet Tools corner clamp ensures perfect 90-degree joints, making frame, cabinet, and woodworking assembly more accurate. Save time, reduce errors, and improve glue-ups, a dependable tool for DIYers and professionals alike. Cut with ease at $26.57, reduced from $27.97. Tolesa blades are heat-resistant with ultra-sharp edges, delivering long-lasting performance while minimizing burn marks. Ideal for clean, precise woodworking, they boost efficiency and maintain consistent results across various materials. Create a sturdy workspace for $140.80, down from $159. The Works Pegasus folding work table combines a durable surface with a quick fold design for easy portability. Enhance accuracy, organization, and efficiency. Perfect for small workshops, DIY projects, or mobile jobs. Mark layouts clearly at just $13.97, previously $14.97. Thorvald Carpenter pencils feature break-resistant lead and bold, visible lines that reduce errors and limit sharpening. Essential for woodworking, construction, and DIY projects, they ensure accurate measurements and professional quality results. Power through metal and masonry at just $49.99, previously $79. This angle grinder boasts a reliable motor and quick disc change system. Get smoother, faster material removal, enhanced precision, and less fatigue during grinding, cutting, or polishing tasks. Install hidden hinges accurately at $44.63, previously $58.98. The jig provides stable guidance and precise depth control. Enjoy cleaner cabinet doors, faster installations, and professional level alignment every time.
perfect for DIY renovators and furniture makers. Cut small boards accurately at $26.79, previously $39. The portable table saw offers stable support and precise guidance.
Experience cleaner cuts, reduced material waste, and improved workflow for small woodworking projects and DIY tasks. Take on detailed work at $99, down from $149.99. The Dremel 8250 provides variable speed, strong battery life, and versatile attachments. Enjoy precise sanding, cutting, engraving, and polishing with speed and accuracy for hobby or professional projects. Trace irregular shapes easily at just $19.98, down from $24.99. This Saker contour gauge features tight-fitting pins that capture curves and contours with exceptional accuracy. It helps you achieve precise cuts, minimize wasted material, and speed up projects like flooring, trim, or tiling. A simple yet indispensable measuring tool for every woodworker or DIY enthusiast. Create strong, durable wood joints at just $34.99, previously $45. This Craig durable pocket hole jig features precise angle alignment, robust construction, and accurate drilling guides for consistent results every time. Save valuable time on assembly, enhance the strength and stability of your furniture, and achieve professional quality joints that make every woodworking project cleaner, faster, and more reliable. That's a wrap on some of the top Black Friday tool bargains you'll want to snag. Whether you're upgrading your workshop, diving into DIY projects, or simply replenishing your essentials, these discounts make it easier to get the tools you've had your eye on. Don't wait, grab them before they're gone, and turn this Black Friday into your most productive yet.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.